Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Vita and I'm a health researcher, independent thinker, intuitive eater and a future health author. My health completely crashed around 3 years ago and I could barely function anymore. On top of that, I was also depressed and I had lost any kind of joy in my life. I started my self-healing journey when I discovered I had Hashimoto's, hypothyroidism and lots of other health issues. And since then, I've been learning lots, solving health riddles, reading hundreds of books, and sharing everything I learned with my viewers. Right now, I'm pleased to say that my thyroid is doing great. I feel more alive than ever, and so with this channel, I'd really like to inspire you to take charge of your own life, to teach you both how to think critically with your own head and how to listen to the voice of your intuition, as well as help you reclaim your health. I'm obviously not a doctor, so I'm not here to tell you exactly what to do, but I'm here to inspire you, support you, bring you ideas, and give you a better understanding of the workings of the human body in simple terms. So here on my channel, we find lots of body and mind hacks, health journey updates, green beauty, delicious real food recipes, positive thinking, motivation, and occasional vlogs of my life on the gorgeous subtropical island of Tenerife. If you'd like to get to know me on a more personal level, find me on Instagram or Facebook at VitaLivesFree. I do my best to reply to any questions, so if you have one, just leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. I also really like hearing topic suggestions from my viewers, so go ahead and share or simply say hello and tell me something about yourself. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey called life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.